Making milkshakes is so simple, and it was one of the first things that I ever learnt to do. It doesn't really count as cooking, but it means that you get a milkshake, so it's all good. So all you need to do is either use a food processor with a normal blade, a handheld blender like this one, or I've got a normal blender, which is great too. So all you do is add whatever the ingredients are into your blender and just go. You just make sure you keep going so that there are no lumps, but here you have it. Beautiful milkshakes. You can make up your own recipes if you like, but just start with these 3 that we've got in the book and you'll see kind of what you need to do. As long as there's enough ice cream and milk, you can't really go too far wrong. So enjoy experimenting and enjoy your milkshakes. Don't forget, there are plenty of tips like this throughout our book. All you need to do is find the tip that you want, get your phone, give it a scan, and that will take you right to where you need to go, or simply follow us for more tips just like this. Enjoy.